Introduce highlight features or overview summary of LINGXI 3-burner propane grill, gas grill with front hanging basket. That's include grill gas. Patio grill powered by liquid propane gas without the hassle of charcoal. This grill runs on a 20-pound propane gas tank not included. It reaches cooking temperature quickly and creates delicious meals. Front hanging basket. The propane grills is individually designed with a small hanging basket, allowing you to store more items and make it easy to carry. Extra large barbecue area. This gas grills has a cooking area of 338.8 sqin and a heat preservation mesh area of 126 sqin. The upper heat preservation mesh is used to hold grilled food to keep it warm without affecting your taste. This warming rack automatically unfolds when you open the grill lid. Gas grill outdoor. The grill comes with 2 wheels, you can push it wherever you want. Perfect for backyards, gardens, patios, and balconies, outdoor gatherings. Safe design. This barbecue is designed with a designated safe space for the propane tank that is not prone to tipping, ensuring your safety. 3-burner gas grill features ultra-durable enameled cooking grids. Convenient foldable plates aid in preparation and serving. 2 durable wheels help you easily maneuver this affordable, powerful, and versatile grill. Traditional styling for this size grill, easy to assemble, and simple to start. Burners ensure even cooking on durable, easy to clean enameled grills. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.